Yes. Students, in previous class, I explained about conversion of ratio to fraction, percentage to fraction, percentage to decimal, decimal to percentage. Each and every concept I have completed, and I have given very clear concept how to convert percentage to ratio, ratio to fraction, fraction to decimal. Everything I have completed yesterday. Now, today I am going to explain how to find the percentage if they have given any word problem. Okay. Yeah. Note down first example. Example first note down. Yes. In the word, in the word, note down example first. In the word, in the word, in the word, percentage, capital letter. In the word percentage, comma, find the fraction of the letter, find the fraction of the letter E, letter E, and the remaining letters, and the remaining letters. Yeah. In the word percentage, find the fraction of letter E and remaining letters. Find the ratio, find the ratio, find the ratio, comma, convert the same in percentage. Convert the same in percentage. Yeah. He has given word percentage. Firstly, I want to write word percentage. I want to count total how many letters are there in percentage. How many letters are there? 10 letters are there, right? Note down. In percentage, in percentage, comma, total letter, total letter is equal to 10. Letter E is equal to how many E is coming here? 3 times, right? Now I want to write down fraction of letter E. Fraction of letter E. 3 is the letter E. Total how many are there? 10. 3 by 10 is the fraction. Next, fraction of remaining letters. Fraction of remaining letters. There are 10 letters are there. E letter is 3. Then how many remaining are there? 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 7 by 10. 7 by 10. Now I want to write ratio of letter E to the remaining letter. Note down. Ratio of note down everyone. Ratio of letter E to the remaining letter. Yeah. What is the ratio here? Ratio of letter is how many are there? 3. Remaining letter how many are there? 7. 3 is to 7. Clearly I have mentioned here ratio of letter E. Letter E is 3, remaining are 7. Ratio is 3 is to 7. Now 3 is to 7 I want to convert into fraction. After that I want to convert into percentage. Now 3 by 7 how to convert into can we say answer directly what is the answer? 30% and 70%. Yeah. Divide concept. Divide 20 rupees. Total is 10. First term is 3. Second term is 7. Divide two numbers into two parts in the ratio 3 is to 7. Total letter is 3. Total letter is 10. First term is 3. Second term is 7. Then I can write here first term by total term. 3 plus 7 into I want to find out percentage means 100. Okay. What we can write here? 3 by 10 into 100. 1010 cancel, 30%. This is second term is 7. 7 by 3 plus 7 into 100. Why we are multiplying 100? Because fraction I am converting into percentage. Then 7 by 10 into 100. 1010 cancel, 70%. Then we can write here, hence percentage of letter E is 30% and remaining letter is 70%. Hence, hence percentage of letter E percentage of letter E is 30% and remaining letters and remaining letters is 70%. Very interesting question. Yeah. Now I am going to explain percentage of given quantity. Keep heading. Percentage of given quantity. Percentage of given quantity. Percentage of given quantity. What is the meaning of percentage of given quantity? If we find the percentage of the given quantity, first change the percentage to the fraction and multiply with the given quantity. This is the concept. Note down concept. Note down everyone. If we find the percent, yeah, percentage, if we find the percentage of given quantity, comma, first change the percentage to a fraction. First, first first change the percentage, change the percentage to a fraction and multiply with the given quantity. Multiply with the given quantity. If we find the percentage of a given quantity, first change the percentage to a fraction and multiply with the given quantity. Example first, calculate question number 1. Note down example. Calculate calculate 10 percentage of calculate 10 percentage of 500. 10 percentage of 500. Yeah. Solution, how to solve this question. Question A has given 10 percentage of 500. What concept I have given? If we find the percentage of given quantity, first change the percentage into fraction. 10% means I want to change into fraction 10 by 100. Percentage nothing but out of 100. 10 by 100. Change the percentage to a fraction and multiply with the given quantity. Of means into 500. 2020 cancel. Answer is 50. Whatever concept I have given, same concept I have applied here. Change the percentage to a fraction and multiply with the given quantity. 10% of 500 means 10 by 100 into 500. 20 up and down cancel. Then 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Second example. Find example 2. Find example 2. Find 20% of 200. Find 20% of 200. Start solving, everyone, along with me. Find 20% of 200. 20% of 200. 20% of 200. 20% I want to convert into fraction. 20 by 100 into 200. 0 cancel. Answer is coming what? 40. %40 will not come answer. 40. Don't confuse. If in the exam I will give question, don't confuse. 40 answer will be there also. 40% answer will be there. He is asking find the value, not percentage. Next, find example 3. Find find 16 integer 1 by 2 percentage. 6 integer 1 by 2 percentage of 120 kilometer. Now he has given here mixed fraction. Mixed fraction I want to convert into improper fraction. How to convert? Denominator multiplied by whole number plus numerator. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 2 percentage of 120. Don't afraid if fraction is coming. Firstly, mixed fraction I want to convert into improper fraction. Question he has given 6 integer 1 by 2 percentage of 120 kilometer. Now 6 integer 1 by 2 I want to convert into improper fraction. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 2 percentage of 120 kilometer. Now 13 by 2 I want to convert into percentage. How to convert? Concentrate everyone here. Yes, 13 by 2 percentage means 1 by 100 of 120 kilometer. Means what is the actual meaning? If fraction they have given, always I will multiply 100 with denominator. This we can write answer 13 by 200 into 120. This 1010 cancel. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 13 into 3 divided by 5. 13 3s are 39 divided by 5. 5 7s are 30, 35. Then 3 5 6. Are you getting my point, student? What I have done here? 1010 cancel. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 13 into 3. 39 divided by 5. Now 5 7s are 35. How much remaining here? 3. 3 means 30. Again 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 7.6 kilometer. This is 5 7 are 35, not 3 remaining. 35 plus 3, 38 will come. 40 will come here. 5 8s are 40. 7.8 kilometer. Example 4. Find find foreign teaser 1 by 2 percentage of 800. Solution. Foreign teaser 1 by 2 percentage of 800. Now, firstly, mixed fraction I want to convert into improper fraction. How to convert? Denominator multiplied by whole number plus numerator. 4 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 200. By 200 because percentage is there. Into 800. 0000 cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 into 4. 36. Next question, example 5. Example 5. Yes. 35% of a mangoes, note down, Example 5. %35 of the mangoes in a basket in a basket 35% of the mangoes in a basket are spoiled if the total number of mangoes in the basket is 300. Find how many mangoes are spoiled. Find how many mangoes are spoiled. Very easy question. Nothing is the student in this. 35% mangoes in a basket are spoiled and total mango is 300. 35% of 300. This is the simple answer. 35% of 300. Total mangoes are 300. In this 300, 35% is spoiled. 35% of 300. Note down. Solution. Total number of mangoes in a basket is equal to 300. Total number of mangoes in a basket is equal to 300. Next, 35% of mangoes in a basket are spoiled. Percentage of spoiled mangoes is equal to 35%. Number of mangoes spoiled is equal to 35% of 300. 35 by 300, 35 by 100 into 300. 0000 cancel. 35 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. 105 mangoes are spoiled. Hence, one not 5 mangoes Hence, 105 mangoes are spoiled. One thing I want to ask student to you,